What's up guys, Junior here with a brand new video on the Forex. So guys, with this episode I want to show you a very simple strategy. This strategy is for people that have small accounts guys. I discovered most of the people, new traders, even traders that have been in the game for a long time, they have small accounts. So I'm dedicating all these videos to small account guys. So I'm going to be showing you a very simple strategy that you can use to flip a small account to any amount you want guys. These are very simple strategies. These are strategies that are going to help you catch trends in the market. These are strategies that's going to help you catch 100 pips in the market and you'll be able to grow a small account guys. So without further ado, hit the subscribe button and let's get into it guys.
This video is sponsored by Trader Central. So if you're a Forex trader and you want to get funded right now, go check out Trader Central. It has the best prices starting from 5,000 to up to 200,000 funded accounts, guys. If you want an instant account or a challenge account, go check out right now Trader Central, and you can literally get 30% off when you sign up with my link in description. Get 30% off guys. Trader Central, the best pro farm ever.
This episode I want to show you a very simple way you can analyze charts as a professional by just knowing what the structure really mean in Forex, then be able to take trades guys. So in this episode I'm going to show you a very simple strategy guys. So before that, make sure to subscribe, stick around from the start of this video to the end of this video guys. So whenever a market is forming a structures, let's say if it's in an uptrend like this, it has to reach a time and breakout, either breakout to the upper side or the downer side. So let's say if now this market, we draw our trend line. Remember when you're drawing a trend line on an uptrend, you draw the trend line below. So let's say if this market breaks down the downer side, so meaning it breaks the side, so meaning this market has to go down, then come back to this level, to this same zone. And this is, if I come onto this chart, I'll show you what I mean guys. I'll show you what I mean guys. So first see this. So you see, market breaks this level. Market breaks this level here. Let me draw something like that. Market breaks this level here. So I'll draw my trend line there. So you see, market breaks. Market breaks, it goes up. You see? Then it comes back down to the same level guys. So this is what I mean. It comes back to the same level. You see? Even when I show you another example, you still see the same thing. Same thing guys. As you can see, even see here. Market breaks this level right here. Right here. So it breaks this level here, then goes, then comes back to this level here. So this is what I'm trying to show you. So we're going to do this on our current market. As you can see, this is our current market. This is our current market. We already have a breakout here. So let me first go back to this, draw out something for you here. So let me remove this. So let's say now this is our uptrend guys. As you can see, then when market breaks, it goes, so then after turns back. But where it breaks here, you make sure to draw the line so that it acts as your take profit guys. So now in this episode I want to show you when do we take this trade to come back and hit this take profit, because now we have a breakout. We don't want to take this, we don't want to take this trade, we want to take the reversal to the upside. So this is what we are going to do guys. Stick around guys. So what we want to do is first of all identify the structure. So our structure is the structure now what we have here. We first draw out our small structure here. As you can see, this is the upper side guys. As you can see now we have a small channel. So on this channel then market breaks out here, then I want to mark out where the market breaks out guys. So when I mark where the market breaks out, remember to use boxes, don't use lines guys. So this is where the market breaks out. So I want to know when is the market going to reverse and come back to this same level guys. I want to know when the market is going to reverse and come back to this level. Let me put there an arrow to show you. I want the market to come back to this level here. So now what I do, I come onto this current market. Now the breakout, we have the breakout here. So this is our breakout guys. So I want to know, okay, when is now the market going to reverse from this downtrend and come back up. So what I want to do is draw another trend line on this current market so that I can know Okay, market is going to reverse this. So what now? This market is forming. It's forming lower lows and lower highs because this is a downtrend. So these are lower lows and lower highs. So I'm drawing my trend line on these lower highs. As you can see, I'll take this line down now, like this here. So what we want, guys, let me come back to this drawing. So we want now this, since this is a downtrend, let me first remove these things and then again draw out the downtrend. So since this is a downtrend like this, so market is forming lower highs like this. These are lower highs. These are lower highs. Man, this is like so what we want is market to break out. So if this is the market going down, we want market to break out with a long candle that higher than our previous lower high. So this is what I mean, guys. I want any candle that is going to break out here, any candle that is going to break out on this level here, it has to be higher than this lower high. So remember, I don't know when the market is going to break out, so I just be patient because I want the market to break out and retest this level, then we see the market going up, guys. So then we'll let the market play out, guys. As you can see, boom, market has broken out. As you can see, this is the confirmation candle that okay, now this can be a reversal to the upside, guys. This candle right here, this green candles, you see, it broke this previous lower high. So then the market is going in the upside. So now this is the breakout and this is the retest, guys. So now what I want to do is set my target. I want to set my target. I put my long position and drag this to the upside, guys. You see, this is 100 pips. I put my take profit to where this market, remember, where the market broke out. Remember, as I've told you guys, never market breaks out somewhere, it has to come, it reaches a level and it has to come back there. It reaches a level and it has to come back there. So I don't risk so much because remember, market can always go the other way. Market can always go the other way. So I'll just press my stop loss just below this level right here. So I'm just risking something like 10 pips. So this is a ratio of 5 to 7. This is a very good one. Yeah. So now you let the market play out, guys. You can find many confirmations, but this is like my confirmation. Market breaking out here with the long candle breaking the previous lower high, and then market retesting, and market we see has retested this level. So now, guys, you let the market play out. You let the market play out, guys. As you can see, the market play out. Boom. As you can see, guys, I've told you, don't play with me. Market always respect structures. Wherever it breaks, it has to come back to that same level. Wherever the market breaks, it has to always come back to that same level. And this the reason why these are forex pairs. Remember, this is Euro USD, guys. Whenever these currencies go up and down, so whenever, even though it goes like for a long time, it has to always come back to the same level because these are forex pairs. And remember, this works on any time frame, guys. This works on any time frame. Be it 1 hour, 15 minutes, bigger time frame, 4 hours. This works, guys. So remember to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more new videos, guys. With this, we are making forex simpler for everyone, guys. Peace and love. See you in my next video, guys.
So guys, if you enjoyed that video of growing the small account using this strategy, man, subscribe to this channel. I'm bringing more and more strategies so that we can be able to simplify forex for you guys. Anyone can make it, guys. If I made it, you can make it. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.